So let's have a closer look exactly what happened here. So we're going to use, it's an A, B, E progression. So it's a 3-chord blues progression. But we're going to use jazzier chords in there. So we're going to use the A chord, but we're going to play it in an F shape. F is up here, but take it down to the 5th fret. It's an A. And we're also going to use kind of like the D chord, a normal D chord, A-shaped bar D, but we're only going to hit the 3 bottom strings. Or even if you have the 4th one covered too, that doesn't hurt. Then we're going to use an A7. A7 is here and here, but we're going to use it as a D7 shape, right? D7 up here, you slide it down to the 8th fret and it becomes an A7. It's pretty cool, just very jazzy. Then we're gonna use some 9s. We use the D9 and a little slide and E9. And then back to A. So these are the chords that we're going to use. So let's break the whole thing down. First we're going to look at the strumming. So that's the strumming. For the first part of this blues progression, we are in the key of A. We use the F-shaped chord on the 5th fret, which gives us A. Essentially that's the barre chord without all the top strings. We're just playing the 4 strings in the bottom. And you actually get away with just playing the 3 if you want. We're going to put our ring finger on the 5th fret and we hammer on the 6th. And then we hit all 3 strings. And then we hit 3 strings on the 7th fret. See, I'm holding those down with my ring finger. So what we're doing here, we're playing A again, but we're playing it down here. That's the D triad for A. But this is the D7 shape, right? Up here. That's the D7. If we play it down here, it's A7. So it's an A7 and it gives it a really cool feel. So next, from that A7, we're going to go to D9, the D dominant 9 chord. So how do we build that? Ring finger on the 4th fret, D string, middle finger on the 5th fret, A string, and the ring finger on the 3 three lowest ones, the G, the B, and the E. So let's play this again. A7, now D9. We hit the A string first. So then we move everything down 3 frets. Now we're going to go back to so next we're going to do the turnaround, and that is E9. So we basically play the same as we played up here, the D9, but we 3 frets down. So let's play it right up to the turnaround. Turnaround. Back to E9, and then we start over again. So basically you can play this as many times as you want, but if you want to finish it, I'm going to come out of the last of the turnaround, and then I'll show you how to end it. I'm on the E9 now. Landed on an A7. That's the bar chord A7. So what did we do here? We played this a couple of times. And ended right here. Alright, that's it for that blues lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Please leave me a comment either way, or subscribe to my channel so you won't miss when the next one goes up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.